Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by Skilled MBA. IKEA's journey towards becoming a circular business involves rethinking product design, sourcing sustainable materials, and implementing efficient recycling processes. By focusing on extending product life cycles and promoting reuse, IKEA aims to minimize waste and environmental impact. This transformation is crucial for aligning with global sustainability goals and setting a benchmark in the furniture industry. IKEA's ambitious circular transformation goals focus on designing all products with reusability, repairability, and recyclability by 2030. The company aims to use only renewable and recycled materials, reducing its carbon footprint significantly. This shift requires innovative strategies in product design, supply chain management, and customer engagement to ensure sustainability and ethical business practices. IKEA, the global furniture leader, operates over 445 stores in more than 52 markets, generating $41.9 billion in annual revenue. With a workforce exceeding 225,000, IKEA offers over 12,000 products per store. Historically, its linear model emphasized affordable, flat-packed, single-use furniture, a stark contrast to the emerging circular economy principles. The circular economy emphasizes sustainable design, ensuring products are durable, repairable, and recyclable with renewable materials. Responsible production minimizes waste and energy use. Extended use involves repair and resale, while resource recovery recaptures materials for reuse. This shift from a linear take, make, dispose model to a regenerative system is crucial for sustainability. IKEA aims to be fully circular and climate positive by 2030. This involves reducing more greenhouse gas emissions than its value chain emits and ensuring all products are designed with circular principles using renewable or recycled materials. This bold vision requires rethinking product design, manufacturing, and customer engagement to align with sustainable practices. The shift from a linear to a circular model involves sustainable material sourcing, durable product design, and multiple use cycles. This transformation fosters ongoing customer relationships and resource recovery at end of life. It demands fundamental changes in product design, manufacturing, distribution, and customer engagement, crucial for a global business with complex supply chains. Reverse logistics is crucial for sustainable operations, enabling products to return from consumers to IKEA for refurbishment, resale, or recycling. It begins with customer purchase and product return through buyback programs. Products undergo quality assessment and refurbishment, leading to resale or recycling, ensuring a second life or material recovery. IKEA's buyback program offers store credit for returned furniture, reselling items in as-is sections. Repair services enhance product longevity by expanding spare parts and repair options. The furniture-as-a-service model pilots furniture leasing, enabling IKEA to retain material control, shifting focus from ownership to providing functional solutions. IKEA is revolutionizing product development by designing for disassembly and repair, phasing out virgin fossil plastics by 2030 and increasing recycled content. Bio-based alternatives and standardized components are being developed, reducing material variety. These innovations facilitate easier repairs, upgrades, and recycling, aligning with circular economy principles. Circular business models demand substantial initial investments, yet they promise new revenue streams and enhanced customer loyalty. These models can transform financial landscapes by reducing waste and optimizing resource use, ultimately leading to sustainable profitability. The financial commitment today could yield significant returns and strengthen brand loyalty in the long run. Critics question IKEA's circular transition, citing greenwashing and limited initiative scale. They argue that ongoing expansion contradicts sustainability goals. Supporters, however, emphasize IKEA's ambitious commitments, transparent reporting, and leadership in industry transformation. They point to significant financial investments as evidence of genuine corporate responsibility rather than mere strategic brand positioning. IKEA's transition to a circular model encounters cultural challenges, such as shifting consumer mindsets. Logistically, establishing efficient reverse supply chains is crucial. Financially, significant investments are needed. Operationally, systems redesign is essential. Organizationally, transforming the business model is imperative. These challenges are pronounced in emerging markets like India, where recycling infrastructure and reverse logistics are still evolving. India offers unique opportunities for IKEA's circular strategies, such as a strong tradition of repair and reuse, a growing eco-conscious urban middle class, and existing informal recycling networks. However, challenges include limited recycling infrastructure, logistical complexities, price sensitivity in the furniture market, and regulatory uncertainties. Adapting to these conditions is crucial for success. Traditional retailers can evolve by offering repair and rental services, enhancing customer loyalty and revenue streams. Supply chain adjustments, like reverse logistics, are crucial for circular economy scalability. Balancing sustainability with growth requires transparent practices and stakeholder engagement. In emerging markets, adapting circular models involves understanding local consumer behavior and infrastructure challenges. Thank you, and for sustainable business transformation, traditional retailers must pivot to service-oriented models, ensuring profitability through innovative value propositions. Supply chain adjustments are crucial for circular economy scalability, focusing on resource efficiency and waste reduction. Balancing sustainability with growth requires strategic integration, while emerging markets demand tailored circular models to address unique economic and cultural contexts.